Selamat datang di channel Atmaja Viral. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe agar kalian tidak ketinggalan video-video terbaru dari channel ini. Dan seperti biasa, saya berdoa agar kalian diberikan kesehatan dan kesuksesan. Amin. Welcome back guys, welcome back. Kembali lagi kita akan melihat Putri Ariani. Nah, kali ini ada reaktor dari luar negeri yang melihat Putri Ariani saat menyanyikan lagu Easy on Me. Wow, keren sekali. Dan tanpa terlalu banyak cerita di depan, link video originalnya ada di deskripsi paling bawah. Yuk kita melihat videonya, let's go guys.
There ain't no cold in this river that I've been washing my hands in forever. I know there is hope in these waters, but I can't break.
And hey again everyone, we're going for another Putri Ariani reaction here. This is Easy on Me, the cover. From the one and only Adele. You should be familiar with that one. If you're not, then you've been living under a rock. But crazy, ain't it? I never knew who this lovely lady was until not long ago. And then the views on one of my reactions to her at the AGT well, absolutely blew up. I think it blew up for quite a lot of reactors out there. I'll leave a link in the top of the description to my new Putri Ariani playlist. But what a talent, sweeping sensation. She's only going to get bigger and better, isn't she, as time goes along? She's very young, 17 or 18 years old. I'm sure you'll enlighten me in the comments. Subscribe notification bell as we go through more of the lovely lady in question here, and recommendations please. Can never have too many recommendations. No, it'd be interesting to see how this one goes. I say it'd be interesting. We know she's going to probably nail it anyway. She's got a fantastic voice.
There ain't no cold in this river that I've been washing my hands in forever. I know there is hope in this water.
Oh, that switch of voice.
But I can't bring myself to swim, myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence. Baby, let me go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel when I am drowning in this silence. Baby, let me go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me, the world around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me. There ain't no room for things to change when we are both. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy.
Like I say, the switch of her voice is so it's just easy for her, isn't it? Not a lot of practice, but she's so dedicated to music.
There ain't no room for things to change when we are both so deeply stuck in our way, so deeply stuck in our way. You can't deny how hard I've tried. I changed who I was to put you first, but now I'll give up. Go easy on me,
supposed to be putting in the bloody pause of copyright. I'm over halfway through the song already. Like I say, it seems so effortless, doesn't it, when she goes to that switch of the harsh kind of note going into the soothing kind of note. It's just like it's second nature to her. And as I said, I'm well aware she'd been like literally singing or from a very young age and playing instruments. I don't know how many instruments she plays. I know she plays more piano or keyboard apparently. Be interesting to see what else she plays as time goes along. But no, effortless this one.
Had no time to good intention and lessons, but not now. It probably doesn't even show. Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get a chance to feel the world around me. I choose what I chose to do, so go easy.
Oh, that was good, wasn't it?
Good intention and lessons, but not now. It probably doesn't even show.
Oh, Ecky.
I had no time to choose what I chose to do, so go easy on me.
Oh.
Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get a chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do, so go easy on me.
Wow. Once again, she's just incredible, man. Really amazing. Really, really good. I hope she goes on like this throughout. And she's just good, man. I like her voice. Once again, angelic voice. I like her piano
Wow,
keying and all that.
suara
I think
malaikat
she's
kelasnya,
gifted.
guys.
She's very gifted.
She is gifted.
That's a gift from God.
I love the fact that she didn't try to sing almost every part like Adele. When you're performing someone else's song, make it your own. Sing it your own way.
Give
Don't
it your own
imitate
rendition.
their voice. The low parts, I feel like you can say she's trying to relate to Adele, but the high part you can hear her voice. Her voice, not her trying to be Adele, not her trying to too hard to be someone else that she's not. I guess that's what makes a good singer a good singer. Loved it. I enjoyed it.
She's amazing. Just let us know in the comment section
Oh,
below what
thank
you
you.
think about her. Also, thank you for the people who have been giving us reaction videos, especially reaction videos from her particularly. You guys are super amazing. Just let us know if you want us to react more of her music. Just give us the link on the comment section below, or just
name.
the name or the title of the song or whatnot. And yeah,
Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course do not forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in our next reaction video.
and this is
Tadi yang sangat-sangat spektakuler saat dibawakan oleh Putri Ariani. Wow, terbukti banyak orang-orang luar negeri juga yang sangat-sangat mengagumi bakatnya, sangat-sangat apa ya guys, sangat-sangat spektakuler dan hebat sekali di dalam diri Putri Ariani ya. Semangat terus buat Putri Ariani, tetap maju terus ke depan. Dan ya teman-teman, apa tanggapan kalian setelah kita melihat video barusan? Boleh ditulis kolom komentar harapan dan tanggapan apa yang ingin kalian sampaikan. Kita berdiskusi di kolom komentar. Ya sekian video kali ini, dan jika ada kesalahan kata dari saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.